Hello everyone, now I am here with my third video of K-map. Here I want to tell you about how we are going to solve our 4 variable K-map. We have solution for that. If we are having pairs in our K-map, then what we have to do? See, in my example I have taken 3 pairs. Pair number 1, 2 and 3 with the positions. What I had written? I had written small m. Small m is used for minterm and capital M is used for maxterm. Minterm present in SOP and maxterm present in pause. If we are dealing with pause, then we have to mention zeros, and if we are dealing with SOP, then we have to mention 1. Now I am dealing with SOP, that's why in every pair is a combination of ones. If we are dealing with pause, then we are having a combination of zeros. Now we are dealing with K-map of SOP expression, where we are having 3 pairs. See, in first pair is a combination of rows and columns. That's why first row contain A dash B dash and column contain C dash D dash C dash D. I had written the same thing, but the column I'd supposed to add because both are minterm and minterms should be added together. And when we are adding them, see, one Boolean law applied. A plus A dash equals to 1 means same thing I had written here also. The common term I had taken it out, C dash. And when we are combining them together, we are getting a minterm, that is A dash, B dash, C dash and D dash. The same thing I had done for pair 2 and pair 3 also. See, pair 2 contains row A dash B AB. I had written the same thing, A dash and A cancelled. The common term is B. And in column part, it is C D. When we are combining it together, B C D. We are getting pair 3. Row contain AB dash and column contains CD and CD dash. We had cancelled D and D dash and we are getting C as a common term. We have to combine both together for getting minterm. And C, in all the pairs you are getting 3 variables. It means pair always provide us 3 variable minterm. I had written here, when you are dealing with pause, always remember A plus A dash equals to 1. And when you are dealing with SOP, then always remember A dot A dash equals to 0. And one thing what you have to remember, pair always provides us 3 variables. Then what we have? Quad. If in our example we are having 2 quads. If you are having quads, then you have to do in this manner. First quad I am having in row, another quad I am having when I am folding it. See, the position of first quad is 0, 1, 2 and 3, and position of second quad is 2, 3, 10, 11. I had written the same thing. The row and column part, see, A dash, B dash of first quad and column all together are written with addition sign because it is minterms together, and we had applied Boolean law. Without applying a Boolean law, I am just cutting it because I know that it is. That's why I cut it directly. The color indicates what variable I am cutting. See, yellow indicates I am cutting D dash and D. Blue indicates I am again cutting D and D dash. Green indicates I am cutting C and C dash. In black indicate I am cutting C and C dash. And the reduced expression we are getting is equals to 1. When in the pause form all variables are cut together, then you have to write 0. But in SOP you have to write 1. What the minterm we are getting? A dash and B dash. See in quad, next quad what we are getting? In row A dash B dash A B dash, we are cutting it together, then the common part is B dash. The column we are having C dash, CD and CD dash. We are cutting D and D dash, then the common term is C. Reduced expression what we are getting? B dash and C. When we are combining it together, we are getting a simplified SOP expression as A dash B dash plus B dash C. What we have to remember in this? We are getting two variable in quads. That's why when we are having combination of pairs and quads, we are prefer quad. Why we are preferring quad? Because it provides us two variable. And then the next one, if we are having octet, then what we have to do? If we are having octet, it is a combination of 8 ones. 8 ones means in row what we are having? See, in my example what we are having? A dash, B dash, A, B dash. And column, the same thing happen all together. I had cut all together, I am getting 1, and in row I had cut A and A dash, common term is B dash, and the simplified reduced expression is B dash. Means in octet we are getting how many variables? Only one. That's why rules of K-map says always try to create octet first, then go with quad, and then go with pair, because K-map wants a reduced expression. In octet produce only one variable, quad produce two variable, and pair produce three variable. That's why always remember to go with octet, then quad, then pair. And see what we are having in our next slide. One example I am going to solve for you. I created one boolean function. In that boolean function I mentioned all positions together of SOP form, because always remember summation indicates SOP and pi indicates pause. Here we are having a boolean function of SOP because we are having summation. If we are having pi over there, then we are having a SOP. No, we are having a pause expression, and then we have to mention zeros over there. Now we are dealing with SOP. See what we are having right now. Right now in this we are having one octet and one quad. One octet provides us B dash and quad provide us A dash D dash. The combined SOP expression is B dash plus A dash D dash. Here we are having a solution of a boolean function, or we can say we are having a solution of SOP K-map. SOP expression, or we can say we are having a solution of canonical SOP expression. The simplified form of canonical SOP expression is B dash plus A dash D dash. Next thing, I am having one question for you. If we are dealing with pause, then provide me your reduced expression in comment section. I had written 0 over there. You have to create either octet or quad or pair, whatever you are having in this example. Go with that and provide me the solution as a reduced expression. Thank you for watching.